Hey everybody, we are working on the thesis statement for your essay, so I just want to review with you a little bit to make sure you're ready to go. So when you're restating for an essay, you write a thesis statement, a more in-depth topic sentence, a little more specific than the topic sentences for a paragraph. It tells our claim, it summarizes the whole idea of your paper, it gives you focus, it tells the reader what to expect. It is the last sentence of your introductory paragraph and the most important sentence of your entire essay. A good thesis statement is key to having a good essay. You write this before you write anything else, so you know what you're focused on, right? You write this first and you don't get off track because everything ties back to the thesis. So it expands that whole IVF that we've been talking about. First, you describe your topic, what it's going to be about. For English class, we usually name the GTA, right? The genre, title, and author. Then you give us a strong verb to tell us what you're claiming. And then you give usually 3 ways, sometimes 2 ways, so those can turn into your body paragraphs. Let me show you what I mean. So there's 3 easy steps to writing a thesis statement. First, you have to look at your prompt before you can start your steps. You need to know, what am I writing about? What is the question asking me? So you have to write a 4-paragraph character analysis of Mrs. Stevenson. Support your analysis with examples of her actions as expressed in the dialogue and stage directions. And be sure to show how her actions affect the drama's plot. So I know it has to be 4 paragraphs in length. I know it has to say who she is and how who she is changes the storyline. Right? She wouldn't be that way if she wasn't that way. And I have to give examples from both kinds of the writing, the stage directions and the dialogue. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use that GTA, genre, title, author. So the drama, which we know is a fancy word for play. Sorry, Wrong Number by Lucille Fletcher. There's the beginning. What type of writing is it? What's the name of it? Who wrote it? That's the beginning part of the sentence. Then I got to have a strong verb. I got a list of verbs right below me that I could use. I'm thinking portrays is going to work here. It means shows, right? So and then I have to finish my statement. What does it portray? What does it show? Well, it shows Mrs. Stevenson, whose querulous and imperious ways, this is vocabulary we've been working on, affect the plot. So these are 2 describing words. So did I answer the prompt? When I put it all together, my thesis statement, the drama, Sorry, Wrong Number by Lucille Fletcher, portrays Mrs. Stevenson, whose querulous and imperious ways affect the plot. So now the whole paper is going to be about how she's bossy and rude and asks a lot of questions and is kind of a Karen, right? And how that attitude has the impact of what happens to her in the storyline. Go write your thesis statement. Use this as a model. I know you've got this.